right here. This looks like it's it. Roll call. Night call. Keep them gloves. Stay proper. What's up, buddy? What you think you got? It's running now.
Yeah, but like whenever I, put in the gear,
Yeah.
goes down. And there's no lights inside. Turn off.
Off.
Like,
Oh, right now or?
yeah, right now. Off.
Okay.
No flashes are working over here.
Yeah.
On the.
Yeah. When I drove up, I thought I saw your trailer lights.
Oh yeah.
I thought I saw the
Like
blinker
my
or
guy told
something.
me, yeah. My safety manager, he told me just drove past you. So.
Okay.
I was wrong at parked in the wrong place.
And you moved up.
Somehow I managed to, slowly. It didn't turn off.
Okay.
But I was so worried because.
So it's turning off while you're driving.
It turned off on a hill.
Yeah.
Steering got like heavy and no lights, no gas.
Okay. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Got it.
I made a video that time when I was doing.
Okay, I'm gonna hook the computer up too, and we'll see. I'm gonna hop up there and look at. See if there's any codes on the computer. Maintenance required. Vehicle ECU. That's gonna be an issue.
The cabin lights are not working.
Yeah.
See? And
Yep.
the top one as well. But the other lights are working. The four-way flasher, it's working outside.
And you said steering. What do you mean when you're saying the steering? It feels like it's like the power steering's not working.
Turns off. The power
steering pump.
shuts down. That thing goes off. Everything goes off.
Okay.
Yeah. And there was some code over here. J something I don't remember. 9.
J193.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That came up.
Okay. All right. Let's get into it. So we're gonna do a visual. He's saying it's turning off and on, so I'm just gonna start right. You're looking, you want to almost just move the harnesses. You're looking for damage, looking if the engine turns off, if the lights come on. And obviously I already saw this, but you're looking for any kind of corrosion. Any corrosion like that would be no good. Obviously you want to check your fuses. Start working the car. I'm gonna get some testing equipment for my computer. Okay, so I didn't really find anything up here. I moved on down to the battery box and I got it to shut down, but you're looking right here. Look at that corrosion on that. But I unplugged this and it went right off and right on. So you're definitely looking at some type of connection. This one's corroded right here. Oh man, this is nasty. This is nasty. Let's see where this goes up to. I'm trying to think of what this is. It's definitely a power wire and it shut the truck down. I don't know if it was that, but we're gonna keep on inspecting it.
Can I turn it on?
Yeah, let's go ahead, turn it back on for me.
Yeah?
Yeah. What's that? Nothing on the dash.
It's okay now, but what's that? You see?
Yeah, yeah. Give it gas. right, cut it off. Just leave it off. No, leave it off for now. All right, we're gonna get the multimeter on these batteries. It's looking like this one's leaking. This is a little loose, but I mean, I'm worried about this connection. This is the main power connection right here. It's not even attached to anything up here. It's loose. It bypassed. This could be a lot of your issue sometimes. This cutoff switch. They've already bypassed that. So yeah, we can go ahead and figure this out. But I think any batteries, new wires, this is gonna be a rough one. All right, we're gonna stand by. All right, as you can hear, we got them back running, tightened up. This one was a little loose. This main ground wire was a little loose. Found these random wires. This thing is a mess, but he's back running. I'm gonna try and see if I can't get his interior lights working. I think he's gonna be good to go. But I'm gonna go grab something to grab these fuses, check out his fuse panel under his dash, and see if we can't get him out of here. Let's see. I don't even know. It's just hot. The headlights aren't even. Headlights aren't even working. All right, stand by. All right, we got them going. I hooked the computer up. Didn't find any codes. Didn't find any codes. All the codes that were there are gone now. We're gonna test drive it, make sure he's good. I shook everything up again and it didn't turn off, but then it... I'm closing the hood. Hey, so this is good. We'll go to the next stop. If we make it there, we'll just pull off on the exit and we'll finish our stuff up and then we'll be good to go. All right, buddy. We made it, but I'm lightweight, super salty. I think I just left the tool, my 13 mil. Crap. Why did I not put it in my pocket? That don't make no sense. So it is what it is. I'm out here, Freightliner, just got another part. We test drove this. Let's see if we can get this man going. Did you say it's the like the plug-ins, right?
Yeah, the plug-in.
Yeah. So I'll plug my charger in and test it. But you got to see, perfect. This is GPS. Okay, we'll figure it out. All right. Quick little rundown. We got his lights going, and we got his auxiliary plugs going. So I checked my fuse panel. I wasn't getting any power to my fuses that control my auxiliary, so it was like 80 to 77. And so I was checking the fuses. Basically what happened is we shut down. You guys already know this part of the video, but truck shut down. We got them restarted rolling. There was no interior cab lights and no power to none of the auxiliary 12 volt outputs. So we unhooked the batteries. I guess that reset the body module, and then they came right back on. So we're good to go. Just wanted to do a quick video on what happens if you don't have any voltage to your fuses. All right, peace. All right, so we're gonna get out of here. We got our guy going. We got paid. Canadian driver, first time he was ever in the country, so it's kind of an interesting story. I was talking to him, gonna get an interview from him, but I think he's making some calls, so we'll be good. All right, we up. In review, check your batteries, make sure you ain't got no loose cables. And it also turned out when I was under there resetting the batteries for this, and in a little bit more calm environment, I found his battery bar. So the bar that connects all 4 batteries, the one that has his ECM power was broken. So that's another reason he's having an issue. So I pretty much put some washers on there, laid them on top, pushed the battery over, laid them on top of each other so they were connecting. But I mean, it's still bad. You saw it under there. It's bad, but this is his driver's first time driving. They sent him to America from Canada. I mean, I feel bad for this guy. This truck is in rough shape, but he did good. He handled his business. motivation to him. All right, and look who's here, Brendan. All right, we on. And would you look at that? Man, sometimes things just work out for the best. OG Killer right there. Best mechanic in Chattanooga.